Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log out WhatsApp from iPhone. First you need to open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Here tap on Settings from your bottom right. Now tap on Chats. Go to Chat Backup. Here tap on Backup Now. Wait for it to prepare your backup. After a few seconds it will start uploading your backup. Once it is done, you'll see your backup has been done. Now go to the home page and tap and hold the WhatsApp. Here, tap on Remove App. Select Delete App. Again, tap on Delete to confirm delete. After that, go to the App Store. Here, search for WhatsApp. Now tap on its app and reinstall it in your device. You'll find that your account has been logged out. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.